Hello everyone and welcome back to Nature's Natural Hair. It has been a pleasure having you back here. So in this video I'm going to show you how I style my daughter's hair, and her hair has been washed and conditioned using the Care Essence shampoo and conditioner. I then followed up with a leave-in conditioner by Freida, and that's Freida Frizz-Ease Daily Miracle. So I can't talk. And this helps to moisturize unmanageable frizzy hair. It instantly detangles and protects against heat damage. I then followed up using the Pomegranate Twist and Define cream in her hair, and to seal it in, or to provide that hair with that longevity of moisture, I used the Dax vegetable oil pomade in her hair. And that, I can say, all those products I used, her hair was left moisturized for days, literally days. And I like how her hair was shiny and it looked healthy, and the fact that it was well hydrated. So I'm gonna let you guys watch the rest of this video. And again, thank you for coming back to us on our platform. If you like the video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe, and also press the notification bell, because it will notify you each time we upload a video. Take care guys. Most of these products showed will be found at naturesnaturalhair.com, and yeah, bye for now.